All right, guys, let's underwrite another property. Let's start with going on Zillow. Um, excuse me. Let's find a place in, where am I getting a lot of properties these days? So, Ohio. Yeah, let's do Ohio. All right. What do we want to do? What areas have we been getting a lot of leads in? No, not in Columbus. I don't know. Let's see. I don't know. Let's see if one calls my name. Um, let's do Akron, where LeBron James is from. Can't you know what? Let's do Canton. We're here. Oh, isn't this where the Hall of Fame is? I believe. I want to say. Okay, let's do this area right here. Um, let's look at this one. Sure. Let's look at this property. As always, I like to fill out some basic information. At this point, full disclosure, I am just having my Claude code essentially just run on a loop. I'll show you guys kind of what it looks like, but he just runs on a loop every 2 hours. He just takes a look at what needs underwriting for us. And I guess I've fed him so much information about us that at this point it can pretty much underwrite the same way I would with the information. But just to kind of show you guys kind of what this looks like when you're doing it manually, and just things to watch out for, especially when you're starting out. Yeah, let's do this. Oops. Okay. All right. Sorry about that. Square feet. Okay. Um, to 2028. So it's a 2028. Two bedrooms, two baths. Year built 1925. 1925. Pictures, yes, with the lot size on this. Oops, let me send. Again, if you guys are wholesaling, and you're doing it virtually in multiple states, I mean, I can't recommend this enough. Again, don't get paid for this, but investor base by far has been the best, for us at least in terms of accuracy. So like let's say I was using this, I would go back to the news. I would press this, skip trace and save. And then what you'll get is you'll get like all the contact information here, and then you can download right here with the contact info. I will then take that and have Claude upload all those buyers over to my CRM. From there, I'll send, like, for example, a mass text asking to see who's interested. These are all people that have purchased or confirmed to have purchased something in the last year, as you guys saw, within 10 miles of this property. So, not bad. Oh, sorry, let me go back here. So for our numbers, 87 to 45. So it's a lot of action here. 87 to 45. Sorry, I'm all over the place. It's been a while, but I'm back, baby. Where we at here? 70 to 71,000. Migration trend, what's it looking like? Decline, not good. Don't need to worry about this. Lot size, forgot to check lot size. 32, very small. Guessing most people are gonna be like that. Let's just share this. Copy link. Okay, next, market data. Again, you can fill this out. I'm not going to. But if I am presented it, I actually use these products. And if I am going to present it to somebody, I would fill everything up. But just for the sake of this conversation, so 310. Okay, a lot of sales. So, what's the price per square foot? 110, let's say. All right, renovation. Again, I do lump sum, just experience. But let's see what we're. Oh, this house was renovated. Okay, so maybe like $5,000. Right, next, let's go to comping. All right, so what I always do is, again, I copy and paste this. I'm gonna paste it, slide it over. Can almost exit this right here. Okay, so now let's look at some comps. So the as is comp will be the ARV just because this house is renovated. Something to keep in mind. But uh, let's zoom in and we should, I mean, there's a perfect boundary here that we can just draw. So I'm going to remove, I'm just going to draw this pre-made box for us. And because I'm feeling lazy, not going to lie, that's why I chose this house. So we can just work from right here. So let me look at what's sold first. So beds and bath, I'm gonna have to use the exact match because this is a 2-bed. Oh, there's a bunch of 2 bedrooms. That's funny. I thought I was gonna have an issue. Guess not. Houses. Let's see here. So not the last. Let's see what the last 30 days looks like. Okay, just one. Okay, what about the last 6 months? Okay, this should be more than enough. Okay, slightly. Okay, so this is the highest. So how much are you asking? So 114. So just based on this, let me see. This is a 2-2, 2-1. Sold for 133. Did it take a while? Seems like it. Okay. So 515. Yeah. So it seems like it took a while, but it did sell for more than they're asking. I mean, this seems overinflated as well. So 33. How much square feet were you? So 1064, right around the same thing. All right. This just due date. So I'm just curious. When did you sell? 10/17/25. 10/17/2025. Next. Let's keep looking. Okay. Is there a 2-2? Just keep, there's not even there's okay, so this is a 2-2. Useful for less. Are you not renovated? I'm just curious. Okay, you're not. Okay, that makes sense. Again, I always just tell myself a story and see, make sure that the story matches. So this sold for 128. So I'm assuming this is renovated. Yeah, it is. Okay. Okay, good shape. Garage. Okay. 1920. Okay. Yeah. So this probably took a little long to sell, right? Ooh. Okay. Listed for sale in 24. Yeah, this took a long time. But I'm gonna use this one. Let's see. 128,700 square feet. I'm gonna say it's like a yeah, like 1,050 or something. When did you sell? This one took a while to sell. I see why. 3/12/26. Okay. And let's see what's for sale. Because again, it clearly this one should be selling, but for some reason, right? It's not. So let's see what it's competing with. Okay. So we got a 5,000. How long have you been listed for? Listed for sale 11/21. Okay, it's not moving. Now our properties are 3 bedrooms selling. Yeah, you see. So now let me see. Let's see this one. See, this is renovated. It has 3 bedrooms selling for 134. So this kind of forces your hand. I'm probably gonna go down to like, let me see. Is this one renovated? No. Let's see this one. Yeah, I'm probably gonna go like 110. Let me see. Is this renovated? It's clean, but it's not renovated. It's a little bigger. Shit, this is tough. I'm gonna go like 105 on this one. And yeah. Yeah, it's a declining market. This one's tough. I don't know tell me what you guys think, but this is it right here. Just I never show you guys how it looks as a PDF, but this house it would look pretty clean. But that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching.